Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. You're checking out DJ TLMtv, and welcome to another episode of Saturday Sessions for Beginners. Right, I've done this one time before, so this is episode 2 basically. My normal Saturday sessions are interactive scratch sessions where I scratch over a beat for a couple of bars, then I leave a couple of bars empty so you can fill those in at home. It's all freestyle, but when it comes to these beginner editions, these are really for practice purposes. So if you're just starting out, you only know a couple of basic techniques, this might be perfect for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do some basic scratches, and gradually I'll add a little bit of extra to make it a little more difficult, a little more challenging, and I want you to try to emulate to do exactly what I did. Now, the reason why this is so important is a lot of material that you find online, especially if you watch all the scratch DJs on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, a lot of the stuff you see out there is way too complicated if you're still a beginner. And what happens is that most of you want to try and do those scratches straight away. If you're just starting out, you're learning how to scratch, you shouldn't be thinking about flare scratches yet. You need to start with something a little more basic, like a baby scratch, maybe move on to some transforms, some chirps, stuff like that. So in this case, I'm doing a lot of transform scratches and just basic drops, just letting it go, but I'm trying to do it in a musical way. So in this case, I really made sure that the scratches match the beat that I'm using. You want to try and keep it a little bit musical as well. So even if you're not using this beat and you're using some of your own instrumentals, try and listen to the music and see how you can incorporate your scratches to that. Now, enough talking. 4 bars for me, 4 bars for you. Let's make it happen. So that's it for this episode of the Saturday Sessions for Beginners, episode 2 that is. I hope you enjoyed this session. Now, if you're tired of trying to do the scratches I did and you want to do your own stuff, you're free to do whatever you want. And if you want to have this beat just to practice by yourself, check the link in the description box down below. You can download this beat for free and have fun with it. Use it for your mix practice, use it for your scratch practice, whatever you want to do. it's yours. Now, if you like the video, make sure you like it and share it with other beginner DJs. So even if you know DJs that have been playing for a while, but they never done any scratches before, show them the scratch tutorial videos and let them practice with this video right here. If you want more of these, let me know in the comment section down below. Join the conversation, share the knowledge, and I'll be back soon. Oh, and before I forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I have a lot more DJ related content on the way. You don't want to miss anything. And if you subscribe, make sure you also click on the notifications, because if you're just subscribed, somehow a lot of people are still missing the new videos in their feed. When you have the notifications turned on, that problem is solved. Peace.